Hello everyone, it's Al from gmailfiend once again, and for this video I'll be showing you guys how to change the password of your Gmail account. So what you have to do is to, of course, access your Gmail account first by going to mail.google.com, and once you have this page loaded, then it would be easy for you to follow the steps of this tutorial. So what you have to do next is to refer to the icon over here. So this is your display picture. It's located at the top corner of your screen. So if you click that, then a pop-up will show up, and then just click this button that says manage your Google account. So once you click that, then this page will show up, and what you have to do next is to refer to the sidebar over here. As you can see, there are a lot of options, but what you have to click is the security option, which is the fourth one. So click that and just scroll all the way down until you see the how you sign into Google part, and on the third option you will see the password. So just click that and you will be redirected to this page, and you just have to input a new password. So it can be anything you like as long as it is a strong password. So you can use symbols such as the exclamation point or the @ symbol, and numbers as well. So let me try to type in something. So as you can see, it says the password strength is strong. So it would be ideal to use a password that is strong. So just click change password over here. And as you can see, it says your password was changed. So that means you were able to successfully change your password. So yes, that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you tune in for more.